So hey students, welcome to NCERT Solutions by Vedantu, where we find solution to all the questions which is given in your NCERT. This is Basavaraj. I'm going to be a biology master teacher, which I will be solving all the questions for your biology. So in this channel, beautiful channel, where we will be solving questions for all the subjects, all the chapters. Now here I have a question in front of you. I have a question from the chapter Human Reproduction. Right, that's right. From Human Reproduction, I have a question. Now let's look at the question. The question is simple. It says draw a labeled diagram of male reproductive system. All they're asking you is draw a diagram. That's right. They're asking you to draw a diagram. For your convenience, to save the time, I have a diagram here, which is directly from your NCERT. But what I'll be doing here is I'll be explaining you the diagram. I'll be decoding the diagram for you. Let's get into it. Let me quickly decode the diagram for you. So we know male reproductive system, that is your male reproductive system, is divided into two parts. That is your primary male reproductive system as well as secondary male reproductive system. Now what is this primary and secondary? Primary reproductive system, the primary reproductive system is involved in spermatogenesis. It is directly involved in the spermatogenesis, while your secondary sex organs are indirectly involved. Right? They're mostly involved in your transportation and other factors. Secondary sex organs. Your primary sex organs are directly involved in the spermatogenesis. And the organ, the structure here, which is the primary sex organ, is the testis. Your testis right here is the primary sex organ. Now let's look at the structure of testis. Now testis, think of testis as a huge mansion. Now a huge mansion will have many rooms. These many rooms, for example, there are around 200 to 250 rooms. Now these 200 to 250 rooms are your testicular lobules. So each testis will have around 200 to 250 different compartments. That's right, testis is made up of 200 to 250 different compartments, and these compartments are known as what? Your testicular lobules. Testicular lobules are different rooms here, compartments. Now each room has windows, around 1 to 3 windows. Now these windows are your seminiferous tubules. This is not written here, but each testicular lobule has seminiferous tubules inside, and this is the location where sperm formation happens. Because inside the testicular lobules, we have seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules has two type of cells: Sertoli cells as well as your spermatogonia, where your sperm formation takes place. Now, when the sperm is released from seminiferous tubules, it goes to the testicular. First place it reaches is your rete testis. From seminiferous tubules to rete testis. Now after rete testis, it goes to vasa efferentia. After it reaches to epididymis. After epididymis, it reaches the vas deferens. From rete testis to vasa efferentia, epididymis, and then vas deferens. Now vas deferens is the location where any sperm which is not proper functioning is been killed, or it is sent back, and that is the mechanism which is of vas deferens. Now if you look closely, vas deferens is ascending upside, right? Vas deferens is ascending up. Now vas deferens is ascending up. Let me change the color to purple. Right, so vas deferens is ascending upwards. Upwards is your abdomen, right? So vas deferens is ascending upwards to the abdomen, and it loops over. What? It loops over the urinary bladder. Vas deferens ascends to abdomen, it loops over the urinary bladder, and finally it reaches here, where your vas deferens is connected with another duct. Vas deferens is connected with another duct called as seminiferous vessels. Seminal vesicle. The seminal vesicle will provide secretions which is coming from vas deferens. Vas deferens is carrying sperm. Let me quickly clear the table, and so that we can write more. Right. So here vas deferens is carrying sperm. Vas deferens is carrying sperm, and now we have the secretions from seminal vesicle. Right, seminal vesicle. Now all the way they reach here. Now this is nothing but your ejaculatory duct. It is not labeled in NCERT, but please learn this location is the ejaculatory duct, where now it releases the secretions. Now it obtains the secretions from where? From the prostate as well as bulbourethral gland. So secretions from your sperm, which comes from your seminal vesicle, which is in your vas deferens, then secretions from your seminal vesicle, secretions from your bulbourethral gland, secretions from your prostate glands. All these different three will constitute the sperm. Right? The secretions from these three is your sperm plasma and your sperm, which comes from your seminal vesicle. Together they are the sperm. Sperm which travels through the urethra. Urethra is a common passage for your sperm release and also urine release. Common passage. And finally, the sperm is ejaculated outside with the help of urethral opening here. Urethral meatus. Urethral meatus is the urethral opening here through which the sperms are ejaculated. That is the complete story of your sperm release and also the different structures in your different structures in your male reproductive system. Now here another structure, external genitalia, which is your penis is the external genitalia in case of male, vulva in case of your female. The external genitalia, your male penis has an extra covering called as foreskin, that is a loose skin. Then it has erectile tissues. Can you see this one? These ones are erectile tissues. These are the erectile tissues. And then your tip of the penis is called as glans penis. Tip of the penis is called as glans penis. The other structure which you need to know here is the covering. The cup-like structure which is holding the testis, that is your scrotum. Scrotum helps in maintaining the temperature, the optimum temperature for your spermatogenesis, that is lesser 2 to 3 degrees lesser than the body temperature. That is the complete structure, complete explanation for your male reproductive system. Hope you like the content. If you're liking the content, please like the video and also subscribe to the channel if you do not want to miss any of the content which is uploaded on this channel.